Now, how to find GTECHAI script and use it in AG AutoClicker best AutoClicker application. Now, to use it, click on the AG AutoClicker here, click on it. Now wait for it to open. Now here what we'll do is just click on this script here. Here you can see script. You can edit the script by clicking on this three-dot line icon here. To edit it, write anything you like by clicking here, this rename, and then type it by clicking here. Type it how you like it, like you see it, and click on save to save it. You can also delete it just by clicking here, this three-line icon, and then click on delete, and then click on delete again here. Now to use the script, click on this play icon here. Then watch ad if you have not subscribed for the premium version by clicking on this watch and ad like this. Now wait for it to open. Now you can see I'm watching an ad. You see it. Now after watching an ad, you can see the script have shown up here. You see the script. Now go to the application where you want to apply the script like this. Here I will use my Facebook account to show you an example. Here go to the application like this. Now what you do in order to start using the script, click on this play icon here like this. You see the script is activated. You see it. It is sliding it up. You see it. You see it. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Also watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use this AG AutoClicker, and also watch this video on the side in order to know how to hide the application. Now thank you most of all for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.